Alright, let's talk about mastering your home cleaning routine without losing an entire Saturday to it. First things first, I always start with a game plan. Before I touch a sponge, I walk through the house and figure out what actually needs the most love. Prioritizing high-traffic spots like the kitchen and bathrooms keeps me from getting sidetracked. I make a checklist. It helps me stay on track and not bounce all over the place. Next up, declutter. I grab anything that's out of place. Clothes on the floor, dishes in the living room, all those random things that just appear on counters. Either I put them back where they belong or toss them in a basket to deal with later. Trust me, actual cleaning goes way faster when you're not tripping over clutter. Now, dusting. Always work top to bottom. Ceiling fans, shelves, then tables and baseboards. Microfiber cloths are my go-to because they trap dust instead of just moving it around. Don't forget the vents, blinds, and windowsills. Let's hit the kitchen. I wipe down countertops, cabinet faces, and appliances. The sink gets a scrub, and a few lemon peels down the garbage disposal make everything smell fresh. On deep clean days, I'll pull out the appliances and clean behind them, and give the microwave and fridge a good scrub inside. Bathrooms next. Spray everything. Sinks, toilets, tubs, and let it sit while I clean mirrors and counters. Then I scrub, rinse, and dry, switch out towels, empty the trash, and bam! It feels like a hotel bathroom. Bedrooms get stripped and fresh sheets go on the bed. I dust nightstands, headboards, and vacuum or sweep the floors, even under the bed if I'm feeling ambitious. In the living room, I wipe down surfaces, fluff pillows, fold throws, and vacuum under the furniture if I can. For floors, vacuum carpets, sweep and mop hard surfaces, always starting in the farthest corner so I don't step on anything wet. Last touch, empty the trash everywhere, and add new liners. Maybe light a candle or crack a window for some fresh air. And that's it. A little routine goes a long way. Tidy up a bit each day and those big deep cleans start to feel way less overwhelming. Happy cleaning. No time to clean? Let Bear Brothers Cleaning handle it. Call 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com for a free quote, because your home deserves to be berry clean.